What if the SUV parked in your driveway right now is secretly draining your bank account? Some of these vehicles look luxurious. Some are bestsellers. Some even have loyal fan bases. But according to mechanics, these SUVs can hit owners with repair bills so massive that many end up selling them at a loss. We're talking blown engines, failed transmissions, electrical nightmares, and repairs that can cost more than the vehicle is worth. Stay until the end because the number one SUV on this list has left thousands of owners shocked and thousands of dollars poorer. Buying an SUV is supposed to make life easier. More space, more comfort, more capability. But not every SUV is a smart investment. In fact, some become financial disasters the moment the warranty expires. The scary part? Most buyers never see it coming. They fall in love with the design, the luxury badge, the technology, the smooth test drive. Then reality hits. The check engine light comes on. The repair estimates start piling up. And suddenly that dream SUV becomes a nightmare. Today we're counting down 10 SUVs that mechanics frequently warn customers about. Let's begin. Number 10, Volkswagen Atlas. The Atlas became popular because it offered something families wanted. Huge interior space, comfortable seating, and a price lower than many competitors. Sounds perfect. Until ownership begins. Many owners report electrical issues, infotainment glitches, sensor failures, and cooling system problems. While not every Atlas becomes problematic, repair costs can add up surprisingly fast. Mechanics often mention that diagnosing electrical faults can be frustrating and expensive. What starts as a simple warning light can quickly become a four-figure repair bill. And unfortunately, some owners discover these issues shortly after the warranty ends. But compared to the next SUV, this is just the beginning. Number 9, Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has been a family favorite for years. It's practical, affordable, and easy to find on the used market. That's exactly why so many people buy one. But older Pathfinders developed a reputation for transmission issues. And transmission repairs are never cheap. Owners frequently complained about shuddering, jerking, loss of power, and expensive replacement costs. Mechanics often advise buyers to research model years carefully before purchasing used. A bargain SUV can become a very expensive mistake if transmission problems appear. And trust me, the next SUV gets much worse. Number 8, Ford Explorer. The Explorer is one of America's most recognizable SUVs. Millions have been sold, and many owners love them. But certain generations have created serious headaches. Water pump failures, transmission problems, turbocharger issues. These aren't minor repairs. In some cases, replacing a failed water pump requires major engine labor. That means repair bills that can easily reach several $1,000s. Mechanics often warn customers that maintenance delays can turn a manageable repair into a catastrophic one. And when that happens, your wallet pays the price. But the next SUV wears a luxury badge. And that's where things get dangerous. Number 7, Audi Q7. The Audi Q7 is beautiful, luxurious, and packed with technology. People buy it because it feels premium in every way. Until the repair bills arrive. Complex electronics, air suspension systems, timing chain concerns, oil leaks. These repairs can quickly overwhelm owners. Many mechanics describe aging luxury German SUVs as ticking financial time bombs. The problem isn't one major repair. It's dozens of smaller repairs stacking up over time. 1 month it's suspension. Next month it's electronics. Then cooling system issues. The cycle never seems to end. And the next SUV is even more notorious. Number 6, Jeep Grand Cherokee. Few SUVs have a fan base as loyal as the Grand Cherokee. People love the styling, the off-road capability, the comfort. But long-term ownership stories can be very different. Electrical gremlins are common complaints. Air suspension failures can be expensive. And certain engine options have generated reliability concerns over the years. Mechanics regularly see owners shocked by repair estimates, especially when multiple systems fail around the same time. The worst part? Many buyers assume Jeep parts are inexpensive. Then reality arrives. And so does the repair bill. But we're only halfway through. Number 5, Mercedes-Benz GLS. The GLS feels like a private jet on wheels. Luxury everywhere. Advanced technology. Powerful engines. It's easy to see why people fall in love. But luxury comes at a price. And after the warranty expires, that price can become painful. Owners frequently report expensive electronic repairs, suspension problems, sensor failures, and maintenance costs that dwarf mainstream SUVs. Mechanics often say the purchase price is only the beginning. The real cost starts years later. And many owners aren't prepared for it. The next SUV takes this problem even further. Number 4, BMW X5. The BMW X5 drives like a sports car. That's its biggest strength. And its biggest trap. People buy it for performance, luxury, and prestige. But older X5 models can become repair nightmares. Cooling system failures, oil leaks, electronic malfunctions, suspension repairs. Nothing is cheap. Mechanics often joke that luxury performance comes with luxury repair bills. And unfortunately, many owners learn that lesson the hard way. One unexpected repair can cost thousands. Several repairs in a single year? That's enough to make some owners sell the vehicle entirely. And somehow, the next SUV is even riskier. Number 3, Land Rover Discovery. The Discovery has incredible road presence. It looks expensive. It feels expensive. And eventually, it becomes expensive. Many owners praise the comfort and capability. But reliability concerns have followed this SUV for years. Electrical problems, air suspension issues, cooling system failures, complex repairs. Mechanics frequently warn buyers to budget heavily for maintenance, because ownership costs can escalate rapidly. What makes it worse is that some repairs arrive unexpectedly. One day everything works. The next day you're staring at a repair estimate that feels impossible. And now we enter the top TWO. Number 2, Maserati Levante. The Levante is stunning, exotic, rare, and incredibly tempting. People buy it because they want something different, something special, something exciting. But excitement fades when repair bills arrive. Parts are expensive. Labor is expensive. Maintenance is expensive. Everything costs more. Mechanics often warn that exotic luxury vehicles can become financial black holes. Even relatively small repairs can produce shocking invoices. Many owners discover that owning a Maserati is much easier than maintaining one. And if you think that's bad, wait until you see number 1. Number 1, Range Rover. If you've spent time around mechanics, you've probably heard this name already. The Range Rover is one of the most luxurious SUVs on the road. The ride quality is incredible. The interior is beautiful. The status symbol is undeniable. That's exactly why people buy them. But mechanics often tell a very different story. Electrical failures, air suspension problems, cooling system issues, engine concerns, sensor failures. The list seems endless. Owner forums are filled with repair stories. Many owners report spending thousands of dollars every year simply keeping the vehicle operational. Some mechanics openly advise customers to avoid older Range Rovers entirely unless they're prepared for significant maintenance costs. That's how expensive ownership can become. For many buyers, the luxury experience simply isn't worth the financial risk. And that's why the Range Rover earns the #1 spot on today's list. Here's the truth. Not every SUV on this list will bankrupt every owner. Some people have great experiences. Others aren't so lucky. The real lesson is simple. Never buy a vehicle based only on looks, or luxury, or brand reputation. Research reliability. Check owner complaints. Talk to mechanics. And always budget for maintenance before signing the paperwork. Now we want to hear from you. Which SUV on this list shocked you the most? Have you owned any of them? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more mechanic-approved SUV rankings, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive warning list. And if you think these SUVs were expensive, wait until you see our next video on the luxury SUVs that become complete money pits after 100,000 miles. We'll see you there.